Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming NFC is enabled and your phone supports the tag type, because incompatible tags waste time. Once done, open your chosen NFC writing app and grant storage and location permissions so the app can detect tags. Tap the sticker to the phone back to locate the NFC antenna. Hold until the app shows a read confirmation. Then choose a simple payload like a URL or intent. Write immediately to avoid partial writes and verify the success message. Now you configure the tag content. Pick an action such as a URL for automation or an Android intent to launch an app, because intents give precise control. Once selected, add extras like a small delay, specific app package name, or a Wi-Fi toggle so the tag does exactly what you need. Make sure payload size fits the tag capacity. Oversized data will fail. When ready, press right and hold the sticker steady against the antenna until the app confirms completion. Finish by testing the sticker in real use. Tap from the typical position you expect users to use and verify the action fires reliably. If it doesn't, rewrite after reformatting the tag, because corrupted writes are common with movement during write. Make sure your app has required permissions and that you're aligning with the antenna location. Some phones have top or bottom antennas. If still failing, try another tag or increase hold time. A single troubleshooting step often fixes it.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.